wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, brother?
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. By the grace of Allah Ta'ala, I am fit as filled, but there is a problem. I am quite concerned regarding Palestine issue. What do you think about Palestine issue?
In this regard, I am completely in favor of Israel. By the way, they have right to settle at least on the land of their ancestors. For how long will they have wandered from one place to another place, from one country to another?
Okay. The ancestors whom they speak about are the assistants of ours as well. Moreover, the majority of them in Jerusalem embrace Islam on the hands of Isa ﷺ. And now most of them belong to Russian tribe which had adopted Judaism. But so far as concerned, ownership is concerned, it will be decided on the basis of realities and facts.
Yes, if we talk about the reality and facts, Israel was recognized as a legitimate state by United Nations in 1948, whereas Palestine still remains divided.
Had United Nations been genuine criteria, then Iraq, Libya and Syria wouldn't have been destroyed, and they wouldn't have been in this miserable and deplorable condition. But in fact, United Nations is a puppet in the hands of two powerful corporate political families, and it is real facts, corporate political families, and many people have lost their lives due to this shameless support.
Let's accept the Palestinians faced great oppression and injustice, but it doesn't mean that Hamas breaches the peace. Brother, you cannot justify their action. Just few months ago, Hamas launched unprecedented assault on Israel from the Gaza Strip, taking many hostages, including children and women were tortured and physically abused. This is the violation of international law.
No, you are on the wrong way, my dear friend. The attack on 7th October was a reaction to Israel's daily brutality and operations. And it is act of self-defense by Palestinians. Every single day, Palestinians perform funeral prayers for their dear ones. And the allegation of sexual assault and child killings are only propaganda by social media. And tell me, has anyone accused us of sexual assault whom we released from our custody? No. And on the contrary, whatever happened to our people in the past and whatever is happening at present is not hidden from anyone.
Israel has to fight for their existence and survival. As long as Palestine do not surrender before Israel, bloodshed and massacre will continue until Israel achieve its goal.
Okay, if the mission of Israel is to killing innocent children and women, then they are successful in their mission. But isn't it a hypocrisy and double standard of Western countries? On the one hand, they lament and mourn on a few deaths in Russia-Ukraine war, while on the other hand, they support they stand with oppressors and support them in Israel-Palestinian war. Due to this shameless support and double standard of Western countries, 9,000 children, 5,000 women, and 12,000 other innocent people have lost their lives. And this brutal onslaught still continues. If the Hitler were alive, he would be ashamed on the shameless support of Western countries. But Muslim countries and Arab countries and the whole world still remains silent on this ongoing tragedy.
Every person in Gaza is a terrorist. They are in favor of Hamas and they fully support it. They violate law and order. They are against peace and their leader is Abu Ubaidah.
No, you're saying in misunderstanding, misconception. There is no single member and fighter of Hamas in West Bank. Then why is Israel killing civilians? Why is Israel continuously targeting innocent children, women and old men? Why Israel does not stop occupying their houses? And why doesn't Israel stop this genocide of Palestine? Don't they deserve to live on their own land? But my brother, what Palestinians are going at present, you can't imagine. My brother, what is the situation in Palestine? Some days ago, a researcher Gaza named Muhammad Abu Rukba said in his statement, "My 4 children are eating 1 meal a day. There is no water, no electricity, no internet, and no fuel of Gaza." And he further said, "I am carrying my children on foot because they are too paralyzed in fear to step somewhere, and we search for somewhere safe because there is no safe place in Gaza as Israeli forces rain down bombs in every direction and every day of our." My dear, you should your open eyes, and you should know the realities and facts.
Yes, brother, there is indeed several operations happening in Gaza, in Palestine. Israel is eradicating generation after generation of Palestinians. It's crucial for us to expose real picture before the world. It is upon us to expose and present the real picture of Israel before the world. We must advocate and stand up for their rights, and we must stop Israel from this genocide and mass killing. It is essential to find a permanent solution of this problem.
Thanks a lot, my friends. I was caught up in the trap of Western media, and I was supporting the oppressor. I feel really sorry about it.
Yes, brother, my perspective has to change.